welcome back to the New American Youth Ballet Dance Center. I'm your teacher, Elizabeth Flores, here with Camila and Julia with another 2-minute tutu tutorial. We're going to pick a topic out of the point shoe. She's going to time you for 2 minutes, and we're going to do our best to explain it to you. And go.
Topic is etiquette.
Ballet etiquette. All right?
And
start. Okay, put the shoe and the timer down. Okay, etiquette, if you don't know, is referring to manners. Manners is an incredibly important aspect of ballet. All right, first thing, if you're coming into class, you want to have your hair up, your leotard on, follow the dress code. That's the first thing. You come into class, often, ballet class, you give your teacher a little bit of a greeting with a curtsy if you're asked to do so. Don't itch or yawn in class, okay? This is a common thing that people think they do every day, and it's not okay in ballet class. If you absolutely have to yawn, what's a good trick? Smile and yawn in the back of your mouth. Yeah, but nobody knew we did that except you guys, okay? And you don't need to be itching, all right? We don't like that. When you're at the bar, show us some ways that we are not to be at the bar. Okay, you don't hang. They're not monkey bars. The only way you use a bar is if you have to stretch and put your leg on it. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Get up. Okay? You hold the bar nicely. Treat the bar with respect. When your teacher is talking to you, make eye contact. At the end of the class, you curtsy to the teacher, and again, you make proper eye contact, you clap, and you say thank you to your teacher for class. If you're running late for some reason, you wait at the side until you're invited into the ballet class. You don't just plow in anytime you feel like it. Okay, it's kind of, you're invited in. And if you're just waiting, you can stretch out so you can keep up with the class. Something I'm missing, ladies?
the director's chair to always make sure.
If a teacher is sitting at the front of the class, you don't walk in front of a teacher or a director. It's kind of like if somebody's taking a picture, you don't walk in front and block their view. You go behind or even under. How many times should you get a correction? Once. Try to apply the corrections right away that the teacher gives you. You can even write it down after class and work on it at home. How are we doing on time?
And 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's our 2-minute tutu tutorial. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Be sure to like and subscribe
And hit the notification bell down
and the
below.
notification bell.